me after a spool of thread.
Yeah, for everything.
She is, huh? Not while I'm around. I've had plenty of time to figure on this trip. I decided Carteret's behind everything that's been working against you.
Seen around a lot with Ward lately. The whole town's noticed it.
That makes my figuring right. I'll bet this herd of cattle they stole your $15,000.
Hope you can prove that in a hurry. Because I already talked us into a mess.
I told you to keep quiet. Well,
I told him I had a man to answer for what I said.
that's right. Lady, we're driving this herd of cattle right to Tucson so the whole blame town can take a look.
No!
Yes. Get him, Marlon! This, I'm your partner.
Yes, I had a thought. You're still my partner. A shoot won't help nothing. Ward, at last you've used your head. You're right. A shooting won't help. No. Let's get out of town for a while. In case
We can demand the security of the money outright without having a foreclose or nothing.
that I can.
Quit talking that away.
Raising your voice, Ward. I don't like that.
And stop acting funny. Get me so I don't know whether you're waiting to plug me in the back or what.
I'm a man of my word. I don't shoot people in the back. And I haven't forgotten that you took me into partnership when I didn't have a penny in the world. That means a lot to me, Ward. Oh, I just wanted you to know that I appreciate that. Even if I do like my little joke now and then.
That's all right.
We'll break up our partnership if you want. But we'll still be the best of friends. Won't we?
Sure.
Man, if this wedding happens, it's going to be darn nigh historic.
Morning, Jose. Turn the buggy around, will you, please?
The senorita will be ready very soon. This is a special day, so it takes time. You wait, no?
I guess that's the thing to do.
There's things I need for the ranch. I'll order a rock here.
Phoebe, don't you think you...
Please, write down what I ordered. 100-pound sack of flour. 4 Pete Kitchens hams. And, 50 pounds. 50 pounds of sugar. Best grade you got.
Phoebe. And